Hi, welcome to Module 8. So we're shifting gears again and heading into a different paradigm. This one is phenomenology and humanism. So it has a separate category because up until now, most of the theorists we have talked about are really focused on pathology. They're all about explaining why people have mental disorders and why things go wrong. But the humanists and the phenomenologists came along and said, maybe we should be focusing on the positive aspects of being human. People are much more than just their dysfunction. So the beginning of the humanist movement was Maslow and his hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow is not actually discussed in this module, so just recall from introductory psych that the background is that he believed that humans, once their base needs were met, strive for self-actualization. So, following from that, the first theorist we talk about is Carl Rogers. And he believed, like Maslow, that human beings are motivated by a self actualizing tendency. So, his theory derives from believing that people strive to be the best they can be, and that through unconditional positive regard from a therapist or from their significant others, that they can get there. So the second theorist discussed in this module is George Kelly. Now, in other textbooks, George Kelly is often given a whole separate chapter of his own because although he's considered a phenomenologist, his theory is very closely tied to cognitive psychology. He looks at constructs, personal constructs that he decides form people's beliefs. And for Kelly, every human beings are motivated to be able to predict and anticipate the events. So not tell the future, but to be able to anticipate how other people will react or respond in order for somebody to be able to adapt to their world. So they're completely different perspectives, but they both fall under the belief that um, human beings are generally positive, healthy individuals who can do more than be struck by mental illness. And secondly, that the person's world is their reality. So that's what they have in common. Enjoy.